Okay, question 60A here. Now we've got to draw x squared minus 9. They don't show us what x squared looks like, but we should know it now. Should be x squared is a smiley face, classical sort of look, and it goes through the origin. If it's x squared minus 9, it's going to shift down 9, so we end up like that. Okay. So then shift down to minus 9 there. Now one thing is important here, you've got to notice is mark clearly the coordinates of any point where this curve meets an axis. So it meets the y-axis here at minus 9. We've also got to take note of where it meets the x-axis. Okay, we expect it to do that because it says any axis basically from this, right? So we know that's minus 9 because it shifts down 9, but what is this? The key to this is realizing on this axis, right, on this axis, x-axis, y is equal to 0, isn't it? Now any coordinate on here, y is 0, because you go across the x-axis to something, but you don't go up any, okay? Y is 0. So if y is 0, look at this here. That becomes 0. So if x squared minus 9 equals 0, okay? And then you can work out what x is, because what you do then is a simple equation. Take that minus 9 over, you get 9. And then, of course, take the square over and you square root. Square root of 9 is 3. Okay? So that's 3 there, isn't it? You might be wondering, okay, it's all very well and good, but what about that one? You might be noticing symmetry, so that's also got to be minus 3, yeah? Which it is, okay, by symmetry. Why didn't that come out here? Well, the truth is, right, when we square root, what we should do, we don't have to do this, right, as such, GCSE, but really, strictly speaking, when we take the square over and square root, we should put plus or minus there, right? So we'd have our answers plus or minus 3. So either plus 3 or minus 3. The reason why is x can be minus 3, can't it? Because, you know, if we go back to this here, when you square, if you square minus, it comes out as positive, isn't it? So if you square minus 3, actually, if you put it there, that is 9, isn't it? Because minus 3 times minus 3 is 9. So strictly speaking, we could put them there and then we'll see then our answers. In part B, it says Mary is asked to sketch this graph. Describe how Mary could use a sketch from A to sketch this curve. Notice the difference between these two. Okay, they both got the minus 9. They both squared, but in the bracket here has been altered. It's a plus 2. And when it's in the bracket, remember, it's a shift along the x-axis. And remember, you go the opposite direction. So it's a horizontal shift along the x-axis by minus 2.